What if I told you Honda just built the most dangerous-looking motorcycle under $9,000? No chrome, no fluff, just pure raw dark energy on two wheels. This is the 2026-27 Honda Shadow Phantom. And after watching this video, you are either going to want one, or you're going to wish you never saw it, because you won't be able to stop thinking about it. I'm your host. Welcome to Auto Explorer. Let's ride. Design and first impressions. Let's start with what you see first, because honestly, with this bike, the design alone is worth the price of admission. Honda has doubled down on the Shadow Phantom's dark bobber identity, and the results feel more polished than ever. The blacked-out engine, exhaust, wheels, and frame all come together as a single visual. Theme, nothing feels added, just for effect. That's what separates the Shadow Phantom from every other cruiser in its class. Most bikes at this price look like they were designed by a committee. This one looks like it was built by someone who actually rides. The compact rear fender, clean side profile, and subtle tank graphics create a motorcycle that looks custom-built straight from the factory, without appearing overstyled or forced. The round headlight and LED turn signals strike the perfect balance between old school, cool, and new school technology. Bottom line on design, if you park this bike anywhere, heads turn, every single time. Let's move on to what's under that beautiful black skin. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about the heart of this machine. Because looks without performance is just a poster on your wall. The Honda Shadow Phantom 2026 packs a robust 745cc liquid-cooled, 52-degree V-twin engine with a 79 mech 76 me bore and stroke, and an impressive 9.61 compression ratio, built for real-world performance. That compression ratio means it tolerates low-quality fuel really well, while still putting out 45 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 48 pound-feet of torque. Now, 45 horsepower. Some of you sport bike guys are laughing right now. But here's the thing, this engine wasn't built to chase lap times. It was built to make every single ride feel incredible. Power delivery is linear and calm, allowing riders to cruise comfortably without constantly shifting gears. The engine produces strong, usable torque at low RPMs, making it ideal for both urban riding and relaxed highway cruising. The 5-speed transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, smooth, predictable, and confidence-inspiring every time. And here's the kicker, Honda designed this V-twin to feel like an American muscle cruiser. That deep, thumping character you get from a big twin, you get it here. From Honda, with Honda reliability. That's a big deal. Ride quality and handling. Alright, how does it actually feel to ride this thing? Because specs on paper mean nothing if the bike doesn't deliver on the road. The suspension setup on the 2026 Shadow Phantom prioritizes ride comfort over aggressive handling perfectly, aligned with its cruiser personality. The front forks absorb road imperfections smoothly, while the rear suspension manages bumps without harsh rebounds. Honda has carefully balanced the riding ergonomics for extended sessions. The handlebar height and reach feel natural, reducing shoulder and wrist fatigue. Foot controls are positioned to avoid knee strain, even during longer rides. The overall posture encourages an upright, yet relaxed stance that feels intuitive from the moment you sit down. The Shadow Phantom is nearly 97 inches long, with a 64.5-inch wheelbase, giving it that long, low cruiser stance that inspires confidence at every speed. Translation? This bike doesn't fight you, it works with you. Whether you're splitting traffic downtown or hammering down a highway at 75 mph, the Shadow Phantom feels planted, composed, and totally in control. Safety and braking. Let's talk safety, because a fast, beautiful bike means nothing if it can't stop properly. There are disc brakes at both ends, a 296mm disc up front and a 276mm disc at the rear, with identical 2-piston floating calipers at both ends. Standard ABS comes on every Shadow Phantom, no exceptions. The brakes offer progressive stopping power rather than sharp, sudden bite, making everyday riding feel more controlled, especially for riders who prefer a smooth, composed riding style. ABS standard across the board. No upsell, no premium package. It just comes with it. Honda gets it. Safety shouldn't be an option. Price and value. Okay. The big question everyone is thinking right now. How much does all of this cost? The Shadow Phantom ABS comes in at an MSRP of $8,699, sitting perfectly in the middle of the cruiser market, between budget options and premium brands. Under $9,000 for a factory bobber. With ABS, with a liquid-cooled V-twin, with Honda build quality. Let that sink in. The cruisers that deliver more value haven't yet proven themselves. So at this price point, there are no real rivals to the Shadow Phantom. Honda first launched the Shadow Phantom back in 2010, and since then the brand has introduced several upgrades to keep it modern and appealing, making it a refined, battle-tested machine with over a decade of development behind it. You're not buying a new unproven experiment. You're buying 15 plus years of evolution. That's value. Final verdict and outro. Summed final verdict on the 2026-27 Honda Shadow Phantom. Is it worth your money? If you want a flashy, tech-loaded, 200 horsepower superbike, walk away. This isn't your bike. But if you want something that looks absolutely stunning, rides beautifully every single day, never breaks down, and turns heads every time you pull up, then this is IT. The Shadow Phantom is simple, reliable, and improved to the point where it is nearly impossible to break.
We're thrilled to introduce the latest lineup of Honda Cruisers. As you can see, they perfectly blend classic design with exhilarating modern performance. We're thrilled to introduce the latest lineup of Honda Cruisers. As you can see, they perfectly blend classic design with exhilarating modern performance.